Good morning students. Welcome to the digital classes of Lalbagh Girls Intermediate College. This is Ma'am Spring in her English classes, and this class of mine is for class 12. Class 12, we have done one of the story from the short story section, and now we will proceed further to do the next story which is there in your syllabus. The first story which we had done was the gold watch, and the second story which we are going to do today is an astrologer's day. So let us begin with this story. An astrologer's day. This story is written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is a famous story author in English, and he was born in a small village in Madras in 1907. His stories are read in India as well as abroad. His style is unique. He wrote the guide. For that, he was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award. So, let us begin with the story An Astrologer's Day. I am going to tell you the summary of this story, and you will read the story from your text books. This story belongs to two silly youngsters in a village. One of them leaves the village in the anxiety that he has murdered his own friend. He left that village and went far off from that village and became an astrologer, though he did not have any knowledge of astrology. So, this story is about a boy who lived in a village, and once he had a quarrel with his friend. He wounded the friend and pushed him into the well. He thought that he had killed the friend. He got afraid and left the village to settle in a 200 miles distant place. He became an astrologer there. His business seat was under a tree in the middle of the town. It was a crowded marketplace by a road. The astrologer had little knowledge of astrology, yet he had a good business owing to his sharp guesswork. His memory was very sharp and his guesswork was very sharp. That is why he became astrologer, though he did not have any knowledge of astrology. He drew out his answers by his patient listening to the customer's own statements. One evening, as the astrologer got ready to go home, a stranger came to him. He looked puzzled. He said that he had a serious problem. He and the astrologer settled terms of good payment if the astrologer would answer his problematic questions. The customer or the stranger wanted to know whether he would find the man who had wounded and pushed him into the well. The astrologer narrated the past life of the customer to him. He called the customer by his name. The astrologer told the customer that the person whom he had been searching was dead. He could answer all this, or he could explain him all this, because he himself was that person who had drowned him in the well. And the customer thought that astrologer was a very knowledgeable person and he could answer him all the questions whatever he wanted to know. He further warned the stranger not to come there anymore, as any further visit would be risky to his life. The astrologer that day went home late at night. He gave his earnings from the stranger to his wife. He told his wife that the man whom he had been thinking dead was alive. Further, the man would never again come to the astrologer's town, as the astrologer has told that customer not to come to that way. That is why that customer would never come to that place, risking his life again to come to that place. So he told his wife that the man will never come back to that place. The astrologer narrated the whole story to his wife and thus felt relieved of his chronic anxiety. He had anxiety because he himself had pushed his friend into the well, and he thought that his friend is dead. That is why he left that village and settled in a far off place. When astrologer came to know about the fact that the boy whom he had pushed into the well is alive, then he felt a relief, and that day he went to sleep and took a sleep of relief, because now he was free from that guilt that he had pushed somebody into the well. That boy is dead. So this is all about this story and astrologer's day, and you will read this story from your textbook. And if you have any problem, then you can write your questions in the comment box below. And thanks for watching this video.